How to use brushes with the Phantasm plugin in Illustrator. Now, first thing to do, just get the panels up. Basically go to the window menu and you can see all the various panels. You can see the panels there, Phantasm panel, Appearance panel, Brushes panel, and you can see a brush library there. That's where the brush comes from. These are from Graphic Extras, these brushes, whole range. 16,000 brushes available on the Graphic Extras website. Just bring them in and apply them in numerous ways. Now, the key thing is just select it and then it's applied, added into the brushes. Now you can see the brush tool there, just select that and then just paint very quickly with the current brush. Now, you can apply it multiple times, don't have to do anything, obviously, particularly at first. Now, if you want to actually change them, you can just select the brush, just go and select one of them, just select it there, and then go to the Phantasm. There's a number of settings you can see then. If I just change brightness, just changes. And you see, as soon as you do that in the Appearance panel, it actually adds the entry there. So you've got hue and saturation just added there. You can see it. Now, once you've actually done that, you can tweak the brushes in numerous ways. But what you can also do, you can actually add the halftone effect. That's one of the really good things with this brushes Phantasm. Just there, just click that, the halftone. You just see the halftone there. It comes up with a panel, and you can change. Now, if you don't actually have anything selected at that point, you won't see a change. So just select it, and then say, click there, Phantasm, and then go to the panel. You can see the various settings there. So just there, just change the DPI, go backwards and forwards. You can actually obviously make smaller dots. You can also go a whole range of things like circles, squares, symbols can be used, lines, and so on and so on. You can change the scale and the width, change origin points, grid angle, and much, much more. A whole range of features. Really, really good halftone effect. Click OK, and you've got the brush there. Now, once you've actually got that, you can then just apply the brush again. Just rapidly just apply it over there. So you can do obviously multiple times. Make a lot of dots all across the screen. Now, what you can also do once you've actually done that, you can actually just go and modify the actual brush as well. So just select that, go to the halftone there, Phantasm halftone, bring up the panel again, and then just change the DPI. You can actually see you've got the size there change. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.